All right, here we go. Bacon in the oven. Easy. Set your oven at 425. I cut my bacon in half, put it on parchment paper, just like this. Get back to you when I'm done. All right, oven's preheated, 425. We're gonna go 20 minutes. We're gonna throw these in. Do that. That one's in. This one's in. All right. See you in 20 minutes. All right, it's been 20 minutes. Let's check on our bacon. It's not quite done yet. All right, I'm gonna turn off the oven. Yeah, it's a little overdone. Some of it's perfect. Depends on how crispy you like it. These pieces are perfect. Oh, it's better than I thought. Okay, we're good. Let's move it over to paper towels. Got a couple pieces in here extra crispy, but we're good. Maybe 18 minutes. It's almost perfect. Look at that. No standing in front of a frying pan getting burned. No mess around your stove. I'm gonna take the other ones out. There's that. I'm gonna take the other ones out and I'll be right back. One thing I forgot to say is keep your bacon grease. If you're from the South, I have this cute little pig container here. It's got a strainer and you keep your fat. And what I do is one of the reasons for the parchment paper is I keep it, probably heat it up a little bit and throw it in here. And if you're making eggs or beans or something, you can just use that as your fat and it'll taste like bacon even though there's no bacon in there. If you're any kind of a cook, you keep your bacon grease. All right, y'all, pro tip, keep your bacon grease. And this bacon is perfect. I did not have to stand in front of the stove and get burned. There's no mess. Even the pan is clean. I get to keep my grease. This is a win-win. And maybe next I'll show you how to make like a homemade egg McMuffin or something with this bacon. All right. And that's as easy as it gets, y'all. 425, 20 minutes. Bacon in the oven. All right, and here you go. There's a pound of bacon. Perfectly cooked in the oven, no mess. And I got a half a cup of grease. Bacon fat. For my little piggy thing. I got that on Amazon for like $7. Worth every penny. So, that's the easy way to cook bacon, y'all.